Irregular English verbs. 170 verbs with pronunciation and definitions. Free English material. Are you a Britisher yet? These lucky people are. They're all enjoying the ton of free English language learning material they got when they became a Britisher at British.com. Get your free welcome pack today at British.com. Awake, awoke, awoken. Bear, bore, born. Beat, beat, beaten. Become, became, become. Begin, began, begun. Bend, bent, bent. Beset, beset, beset. Bet, bet, bet. Bid, bid, bidden. Bind, bound, bound. Bite, bit, bitten. Bleed, bled, bled. Blow, blew, blown. Break, broke, broken. Breed, bred, bred. Bring, brought, brought. Build, built, built. Burn, burnt, burnt. Burst, burst, burst. Bust, bust, bust. Buy, bought, bought. Cast, cast, cast. Catch, caught, caught. Choose, chose, chosen. Cling, clung, clung. Clothe, clothed, clad. Come, came, come. Cost, cost, cost. Creep, crept, crept. Cut, cut, cut. Deal, dealt, dealt. Dig, dug, dug. Dive, dove, dived. Do, did, done. Draw, drew, drawn. Dream, dreamt, dreamt. Drink, drank, drunk. Drive, drove, driven. Dwell, dwelt, dwelt. Eat, ate, eaten. Fall, fell, fallen. Feed, fed, fed. Feel, felt, felt. Fight, fought, fought. find, found, found. Fit, fit, fit. Flee, fled, fled. Fling, flung, flung. Fly, flew, flown. Forsake, forsook, forsaken. Freeze, froze, frozen. Get, got, got. Give, gave, given. Go, went, gone. Grind, ground, ground. Grow, grew, grown. Hang, hung, hung. Have, had, had. Hear, heard, heard. Hew, hewed, hewn. Hide, hid, hidden. Hit, hit, hit. Hold, held, held. Hurt, hurt, hurt. Keep, kept, kept. Kneel, knelt, knelt. Knit, knit, knit. Know, knew, known. Lay, laid, laid. Lead, led, led. Lean, lent, lent. Leap, leapt, leapt. Learn, learnt, learnt. Leave, left, left. Lend, lent, lent. Let, let, let. Lie, lay, lain. Light, lit, lit. Lose, lost, lost. Make, made, made. Mean, meant, meant. Meet, met, met. Mow, mowed, mown. Pay, paid, paid. Plead, pled, pled. Prove, proved, proved. Put, put, put. Quit, quit, quit. Read, read, read. Rid, rid, rid. Ride, rode, ridden. Ring, rang, rung. Rise, rose, risen. Run, ran, run. saw, sawed, sawn. Say, said, said. See, saw, seen. Seek, sought, sought. Sell, sold, sold. Send, sent, sent. Set, set, set. Sow, sowed, sown. Shake, shook, shaken. Shave, shaved, shaved. Shear, sheared, shorn. Shed, shed, shed. Shine, shone, shone. Shoe, shoed, shod. Shoot, shot, shot. Show, showed, shown. Shrink, shrank, shrunk. Shut, shut, shut. Sing, sang, sung. Sink, sank, sunk. Sit, sat, sat. Slay, slew, slain. Sleep, slept, slept. Slide, slid, slid. Sling, slung, slung. Slink, slunk, slunk. Slit, slit, slit. Smell, smelt, smelt. Smite, smote, smitten. Sneak, snuck, snuck. Sow, sowed, sown. Speak, spoke, spoken. Speed, sped, sped. Spell, spelt, spelt. Spend, spent, spent. Spill, spilt, spilt. Spin, spun, spun. Spit, spat, spit. Split, split, split. Spoil, spoilt, spoilt. Spread, spread, spread. Spring, sprang, sprung. Stand, stood, stood. Steal, stole, stolen. Stick, stuck, stuck. Sting, stung, stung. Stink, stank, stunk. Strew, strewed, strewn. Stride, strode, stridden. strike, struck, struck. String, strung, strung. Strive, strove, striven. Swear, swore, sworn. Sweat, sweated, sweat. Sweep, swept, swept. Swell, swelled, swollen. Swim, swam, swum. Swing, swung, swung. Take, took, taken. Teach, taught, taught. Tear, tore, torn. Tell, told, told. Think, thought, thought. Thrive, throve, thrived. Throw, threw, thrown. Thrust, thrust, thrust. Tread, trod, trodden. Wake, woke, woken. Wear, wore, worn. Weave, wove, woven. Wed, wed, wed. Weep, wept, wept. Win, won, won. Wind, wound, wound. Ring, rung, rung. Write, wrote, written. Past tense verbs. Regular verbs form their past tense by adding ed. Irregular verbs have a past tense form that you must learn individually. I've created an irregular verb activator to help you to learn the 170 irregular English verbs in this video English lesson. You can get the irregular verb activator free of charge when you become a Britlisher at Britlish.com. Free English material. Are you a Britlisher yet? These lucky people are. They're all enjoying the ton of free English language learning material they got when they became a Britlisher at Britlish.com. Get your free welcome pack today at Britlish.com.